What's going on, everyone? Josh Stover here with Stovetop 19. Today, we're going to go fly the drone. Got it all packed up, ready to go. As you guys, or some of you may know, I run a business, a little small at-home business that I've been slowly growing here, Stover Customs. What we do, or what I like to do is, obviously, it's like what I do here on the YouTube channel. I like to make things. I like to make cool things. I like to make things look cool with photography and videography equipment, if I can. So, with the business, we bought a vinyl cutter, and we're making, right now we're making signs, doing decals, bumper stickers, window stickers, things like that. Kind of starting out slow. We started making t-shirts and stuff, which is pretty exciting. That's really going to be great for the channel because I can make my own merchandise for you guys to buy if you would like. If you guys are interested about it, go check out the website, stovercustoms.com. Anyway, but the new thing that we've got going on, or I've got going on, is that I went and got my remote pilot license. I'm actually certified by the FAA to fly drones for commercial footage. So I can sell footage, do things like that. So I'm very excited about that. I've got some realty companies who are interested in using me to get photographs and video of properties. So we're very excited about all the opportunities, all the things that's going on within the business. Excited about the growth of the YouTube channel. We're almost at 700 subscribers as we're making this video. So I'm gonna quit talking, let's go fly. All right, guys, so we made it. Here's where we're filming. This is the Kate Shelley Bridge here in Boone County, Iowa. Very beautiful scenic area out here, as you can tell. Obviously with the bridge and everything. So got the drone set up, got my tablet set up. We're gonna go ahead and fly this thing real quick, see what kind of footage we can get. So let's check this out.